chopped liver.
You're chopped liver because Wyatt's up on Uncle Manny's shoulders. Yes, he is. Yay! Sing, Uncle Matty.
Wyatt.
Anniversary.
Wow.
I work the 20th, 21st,
Yeah.
off the 22nd, 8 days, 23rd, 25th, but I'm off the end of the month, which
We're doing the anniversary, the 70th anniversary.
if we do want to do something big, actual Thanksgiving, you know, I mean,
Grandma, great grandma and grandpa, it's their 70th wedding anniversary.
Have Thanksgiving.
Hey, let me see you kiss the groom. Kiss the groom.
okay.
Give the groom a kiss. Come on.
And I work,
A little kiss. We have to go like,
and I don't work until the 20th.
yay.